With AI rising, social media booming, the floodgates are open. There has never been a time in history where you can make money remotely, starting with $0 like there is today. And now I will share all the side hustles I've been gatekeeping for a long time. No more hiding, purely sharing, so grab your notes, make sure to listen, and also share this to others. Without further ado, let's start. Be sure to watch the whole video as I go in depth of how you can make $15,000 amount of money per month on these hustles. First, let's talk about AI faceless videos and clipping. Same with what I'm doing right now. The amount of faceless content is skyrocketing, and AI makes it incredibly simple to produce new content and remove existing stuff. See, here's how to accomplish it. First, choose a format. Additionally, there are two strong choices. The first option is to use a unique spin on podcast clipping. Look at the podcast that's popular or your favorite. You can choose to listen to Theo Vaughn's podcast, Joe Rogan's podcast, or Full Send. However, you must start as soon as the podcast is uploaded. Then look for a moment in that podcast that went viral, a thought-provoking discussion, a humorous moment, or a contentious viewpoint. After that, you have two options. Export the video, use CapCut to make it vertical, and then share it again on social media. Alternatively, a current trend that is quite clever and receives a lot of views is using AI filters to transform the characters into babies, animals, or animated characters, rather than using the clip exactly as it is, reusing it and uploading it on a short form site. Here are several instances that are currently displayed on the screen. To accomplish this, grab a screenshot of every character in the podcast, open ChatGPT, and instruct it to turn these characters into babies. Then, export the screenshot onto Hebra and make them speak by using the lip sync tool. After that, all you need to do is export it to CapCut, add subtitles, and you'll have a viral video at your fingertips. The second option is AI voiceover video. So you start by picking a niche. This can be fitness, this can be horror stories, this can be makeup, fashion, whatever you pick. Let's say, for example, you picked horror stories. You go into ChatGPT and you prompted, write me a script of a horror story between a man and a woman that happened in the 1980s. It'll generate a script. It is copied and pasted. 11 Labs will convert that script into a voiceover when you access it. Additionally, you can choose any voice that of a guy, a woman, a child, an elderly man, etc. After that, you export the voiceover, import it into CapCut, and add stock video overlays, zooms, subtitles, and other visuals to the voiceover. You now have a video that doesn't feature your face. We refer to this as faceless video. The next step is to post and make money off of the clip you created using the podcast or your own AI voiceover video. Post it to YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. The more you post, the better, because you have more chances to go viral. And then each platform has monetization. So Facebook Reels has this monetization where they pay you per 1,000 views. YouTube Shorts as well, same thing. You do have to meet a threshold, which on YouTube, for example, is 1,000 subscribers and a certain amount of watch time. But once you're eligible for monetization, you can upload content there every single day and make money. The second side hustle that I will share with you is digital skill. Every company, brand, and content producer requires assistance with digital tasks. You will therefore begin to receive compensation if you can provide even one practical digital talent. What abilities do you have? Video editing, including both short and long form YouTube edits, thumbnail design, video scripting or research, particularly for coaches or YouTubers, content brainstorming, podcast editing, or repurposing. You only need evidence that you are capable of doing it. A fancy degree is not necessary. Here's how to get started. Select your expertise in the first step. It could be video editing. Choose a skill that you are either proficient in or want to acquire. Additionally, YouTube is your school if you want to acquire a talent. There's also a website called Skillshare, wherein you can take courses with certifications. You can get information on how to begin, learn, and become involved by searching for it on YouTube. As we did with the copyright, send out free samples. Most people receive their first client in this way. Look for YouTubers and get away on how to contact them. Find something that will make them buy your product. It could be faults in their videos and reach out to them that you can fix it. Therefore, grab a clip of their movies, edit a sample of it, and email it to them if you're interested in short form or long form video editing and you see that their videos are poorly edited. Once more, log all of these emails with close.com so you can see who responded, who didn't, follow up, etc. Either a monthly retainer or a fee per service. Therefore, depending on volume, speed, and quality, you may charge $25 to $100 per short form click, $20 to $75 per thumbnail design, $50 to $200 per script, or $300 to $1,500 per month for a retainer. Both a steady revenue and a long-term relationship with that client result from this. The next side hustle that I will share to you, which is actually very effective, is a brand deal closer for content creators. Most content creators want brand deals, but they don't have time to do outreach and reach out to brands to work with them. Where you enter the picture, you will approach brands on their behalf. If a deal is closed, you will receive 20% of the proceeds, while your client will receive 80%. They return to me with brands. I examine the brand to determine its worth. We seal the deal if it is. Here's how to get started then. Make a well-crafted pitch to makers. Therefore, you should search for authors with 10,000 to 500,000 followers, a regular publishing schedule, high engagement, and no frequent branding. You can then position yourself as a creative partnership manager or a UGC deal closure by using ChatGPT to make a brief professional pitch. Step 2. After they respond, ask for their rate, media kit, and analytics. You therefore want to view their demographics, age, location, and other details across all platforms, their analytics to determine their base rate and the number of views they received over the previous 28 days. Step 3 is to contact brands on their behalf after you have that. And now is the time for you to grind. Find products that complement that creative on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok every day, then send them a brief proposal via email. Once more, follow up regularly and use ChatGPT. And if you simply send emails to a large number of brands and producers, this will work. Your chances of securing business and earning money increase with the amount of work you accomplish. Finalize the transaction, sign as the agent, and receive payment. After a brand accepts, I will collaborate with the creative to develop a contract, which you can sign as the agency or agent using a template. Then you are the intermediary. You notify the creator each time they send the deliverables and the brief. You let the brand know if the creator has any questions, but you prevent them from contacting you. The intermediary is you. After the partnership is complete, you get paid by the brand. You keep 20% and give the inventor the remaining 80%. That's all. Proceed to create some money. Make sure to like the video and comment down below any other side hustle you want to learn more about, and stay tuned for our next up hustle video.